Kina Derek Ramsey
This
at
one.
Anthony Torres sa holiday table styling launch na ginawa ni Derek
This
para
one.
sa isang mall. Ibinida ni Derek ang kanyang Christmas table
This
setup
one.
na inspired ng kanyang Pinoy and British roots. Full support si Andrea sa styling game ni Derek, kaya
One.
Derek at silang tinanong ng GH News.
This one.
Label it as boyfriend and girl.
This one.
Kami na po.
This one.
Isa raw sa mga pinagkakasundoan nila ay ang closeness nila sa kanilang pamilya. Ilang beses na nga raw silang lumabas kasama ang kanilang mga magulang.
This
I
one.
value family so much, and I've now met someone who
This one.
matches that value as hard. It's
This
amazing.
one.
Excited na raw ang Andrek na mag-celebrate ng kanilang first Christmas together.
Ay.
Isa raw sa plano ng celebrate din sa pamilya
This
nilang
one.
dalawa. Kasama.
He's very close to her family.
Oh, very
I'm
good.
very close
This
to my family,
one.
and now our families are very close to one another. So, magiging masaya.
W.
First of many.
Very good.
Kasama doon sa celebrate ng kanyang
This
birthday.
one.
At kahit may trabaho si Andrea out of town, ginawan daw niya ng
M.
mga boyfriend.
Sabi ko rin sa kanya na
This
we
one.
can always celebrate naman on a different day, pero gusto talaga niya na kasama niya ako sa actual birthday ko.
Iba yung share.
Yun yung next flight
Okay.
niya.
At para sa kanilang
Very good man.
marami pa raw silang iba